Veggie Chow Mein. The ingredients you will need are 6 ounces rice noodle or thin, flat egg noodles, 4 teaspoons vegetable oil, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped, 1 cup carrots, grated, 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon hot pepper sauce, 1 cup of broccoli chopped, 1 cup of celery chopped, 1 cup of bell peppers finely chopped, and 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. How to prepare this. Prepare the noodles according to the package directions, then drain and set aside. Sauté onion and garlic with the oil in the frying pan for 1 minute over medium-high heat. Add carrots, chicken bouillon, and pepper sauce, then stir. Then add broccoli, celery, and bell peppers, and continue to stir. Reduce the heat to low, add the noodles and soy sauce, stir over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes or until vegetables are cooked to a crisp tender.
Eat, move, say.